Going out and being around people, places, and things can likely trigger you and cause you to feel dysregulated. But how can you regulate your nervous system when all eyes are on you in the center of the ring just like a circus? Well, I'm about to show you how. I'm sure you have seen people doing TikTok dances in public, which are surprisingly hard to do, not only because of the choreography, but because people are probably watching. To show you just how difficult, here is a compilation. I assure you, tapping in public is not as hard as TikTok dances. Here is how to downregulate your nervous system and regain focus. This is not a full tapping sequence, but it's just some tips and tricks on how you can regulate yourself quickly, all while remaining incognito. Use all of these points or pick and choose. The choice is up to you. So first, you can tap on the finger points. These points are located on the corner of the nail that you can see when your palm faces inward. You should be tapping on the bit of skin that is close to the nail as possible. If tapping is too conspicuous, you can press and rub or do some acupressure on each of these points, which is the method I show in the following clips. Let's move on to the face and upper body points. You might find that these points are ones that people naturally gravitate toward without even thinking about it. It's because they are natural comfort zones that people press on when they are stressed. The first one is the eyebrow point. Provide as much pressure as you like. Next, we move on to the side of the eye. Press and rub on this point as well. It just looks like you're thinking and pondering life, but you're really doing some big things to your nervous system. Next is under the nose point, the where did I leave my keys point. We move to under the mouth point, which is known as the thinker. Make everyone think you're thinking about some really deep thoughts. And next we move on to the collarbone point. This is one of my favorite points, and my hand usually goes here without me even thinking. Last but not least is the under the arm point, which I like to call the attitude point. Rub one side or both sides at once with your arms wrapped around your chest, and no one will even know what you're doing.
This a ticket talking Mazda for the biggest. That's a comma and a comma and a comma. Gotta get it, get it.
And this a ticket talking Mazda for the biggest. That's a comma and a comma and a comma. Gotta get it. A comma and a comma and a comma. Gotta get it, get it, get it, get it. Comma and a comma. Gotta get it, get it. And this a ticket.